Have you ever wondered where you can find the most unusual and exotic foods in the world? Exploring food markets globally offers a unique glimpse into diverse cultures, where the fusion of flavors, scents, and sounds creates an unforgettable experience. From bustling urban hubs to quaint local stalls, these food markets serve as the epicenter of culinary discovery. Join us on this tour of the most unusual food markets worldwide, highlighting the exotic bites that make each destination a must-visit for adventurous food lovers. 1. Tsukiji Fish Market, Tokyo, Japan. Located in the heart of Tokyo, the Tsukiji Fish Market is one of the world's largest and most famous seafood markets. Established in 1935, it has long been a central hub for the trade of fresh fish and seafood. The market's sprawling layout includes countless stalls, where vendors display a stunning variety of marine life, from common catches to rare species. The market is renowned for its exotic seafood offerings, including fugu, pufferfish, a delicacy known for its potential danger due to the toxic parts of the fish, and uni, sea urchin, prized for its creamy texture and rich flavor. These unique foods attract both locals and tourists eager to sample authentic Japanese cuisine. Visitors can witness the frenetic early morning tuna auction, where large tuna are sold to the highest bidder in a lively and competitive environment. Exploring the market, one can sample an array of sushi and sashimi that captures the essence of Japanese culinary artistry. The bustling atmosphere, with vendors shouting their prices and the aroma of fresh seafood filling the air, makes Tsukiji a sensory feast. 2. La Boqueria, Barcelona, Spain. La Boqueria is a vibrant market located on La Rambla, Barcelona's most famous street. Its history dates back to the 13th century, and it remains a bustling hub for locals and tourists alike. The market structure is an architectural marvel, with a grand entrance leading to a labyrinth of stalls, offering a variety of goods. Among the market's highlights are percebes, gooseneck barnacles, rare and expensive crustaceans harvested from rocky shores, and jamón ibérico, a type of cured ham from acorn-fed Iberian pigs, known for its delicate, rich taste. These foods represent the pinnacle of Spanish culinary tradition. The market is a sensory overload, with the kaleidoscope of colors from fresh fruits and vegetables, the aroma of sizzling seafood, and the lively chatter of vendors and shoppers creating an electrifying atmosphere. Whether sampling local cheeses or indulging in freshly prepared tapas, visitors are treated to a feast for the senses. 3. St. Lawrence Market, Toronto, Canada. St. Lawrence Market, located in the heart of Toronto, is renowned for its rich history and diverse array of food vendors. Serving the community since 1803, the market is a cornerstone of Toronto's culinary scene, offering a mix of traditional and contemporary foods. The market's unique offerings include pea-meal bacon sandwiches, a Toronto specialty made from cured pork loin, rolled in cornmeal and grilled to perfection, and butter tarts, a classic Canadian dessert with a flaky pastry shell filled with a sweet, gooey filling. These dishes are beloved by locals and visitors alike. Walking through St. Lawrence Market, visitors can explore over 120 vendors selling everything from fresh produce to artisanal cheeses and international cuisines. The market's blend of old-world charm and modern gastronomy creates a unique dining experience where each visit offers something new and delicious to discover. 4. Dongwan Night Market, Beijing, China. Dongwan Night Market is a bustling nocturnal market in Beijing, famed for its wide variety of street foods and lively atmosphere. As night falls, the market transforms into a vibrant hub where vendors set up stalls to sell an array of exotic and traditional Chinese snacks. The market is known for its daring delicacies, such as scorpions, skewered and deep-fried to a crunchy perfection, starfish, another unconventional snack often grilled or fried, and silkworms, which are nutritious and protein-rich, served fried or boiled. These unique foods challenge the adventurous eater's palate. Visiting Dongwan Night Market is an exhilarating experience. The vibrant lights, enticing aromas, and the energetic buzz of the crowd create an electrifying atmosphere. Sampling unconventional snacks and interacting with friendly vendors make for an unforgettable culinary adventure in the heart of Beijing. 5. Mercado de San Juan, Mexico City, Mexico. Mercado de San Juan is known for its extensive selection of exotic meats and unique produce, attracting chefs and food enthusiasts from all over. Located in Mexico City, this market has become a culinary hotspot for those seeking rare and unconventional ingredients. Exotic offerings include iguana, often grilled or stewed, and considered a delicacy in Mexican cuisine, wild boar, known for its rich, gamey flavor and used in traditional dishes, and grasshoppers, which are crunchy, seasoned, and often enjoyed as a snack or taco filling. Exploring Mercado de San Juan is a culinary adventure that takes visitors through Mexico's diverse food culture. Each stall offers a unique taste experience, from the vibrant colors of tropical fruits to the aromatic spices of regional specialties, making it a must-visit for food lovers. 6. Burrow Market, London, UK. Burrow Market is one of London's oldest and most renowned food markets, offering a mix of traditional British fare and international delicacies. Its rich history and central location near London Bridge make it a beloved destination for both locals and tourists. Among the market's diverse offerings are black pudding, a type of blood sausage, rich in flavor and often served as part of a traditional English breakfast, and gourmet street food from international vendors, providing a global culinary experience within the market's historic setting. The market combines the charm of historic London with a modern twist, creating a dynamic food scene that caters to a wide range of tastes. The bustling atmosphere, the aroma of freshly baked bread, and the lively interactions between vendors and shoppers make Burrow Market a culinary treasure. 7. Mahaneit Market, Jerusalem, Israel. Mahaneit Market, also known as the Shuk, is a vibrant marketplace that embodies the spirit of Jerusalem's diverse culinary heritage. The market is a bustling hub where locals and tourists gather to enjoy the rich flavors of Middle Eastern cuisine. Middle Eastern specialties such as sabich, a popular street food consisting of pita, filled with fried eggplant, hard-boiled eggs, and various condiments, and kube, a traditional dumpling made from bulgur and stuffed with meat, are among the market's highlights. Visitors to Mahaneit Market can immerse themselves in the bustling atmosphere, sampling an array of flavors that represent Jerusalem's cultural mosaic. The market's lively environment, with its vibrant stalls and friendly vendors, offers an authentic taste of Israeli life. 8. Vucceria Market, Palermo, Italy. The Vucceria Market in Palermo is an ancient market with a lively atmosphere, offering a taste of authentic Sicilian street food. Its roots date back centuries, making it a historic and cultural landmark in the heart of Palermo. The market is famous for Sicilian delicacies, such as pane con la milza, spleen sandwich, made with sautéed spleen and lung, often topped with ricotta cheese, and stigiola, skewers of lamb intestines, seasoned and grilled to perfection. The Vucceria Market is a sensory experience, with vendors shouting their wares, the aroma of grilled meats filling the air, and a vibrant mix of colors and sounds. It offers a genuine taste of Sicily's culinary traditions and a lively street food culture. 9. Crater Air Wet Market, Singapore. Crater Air Wet Market is a cornerstone of local life in Singapore, offering a wide range of fresh produce and exotic ingredients. Located in Chinatown, it plays a crucial role in the daily culinary practices of the local community. Southeast Asian specialties such as durian, known as the king of fruits for its strong odor and unique taste, and frog porridge, a local delicacy featuring tender frog meat in a savory porridge, are among the market's unique offerings. The bustling environment of Crater Air Wet Market, with its vibrant stalls and rich cultural tapestry, provides visitors with an authentic glimpse into Singaporean daily life. The market is a sensory feast, offering a diverse array of flavors and aromas. 10. Jema El Fna, Marrakech, Morocco. Jema El Fna is a world-famous square in Marrakech, recognized for its vibrant night market and lively performances. Its status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site highlights its cultural and historical significance. North African treats such as snail soup, a popular Moroccan street food where snails are cooked in a flavorful broth, and sheep's head, often served whole and considered a delicacy, are some of the unique foods available at the market. The market comes alive at night with storytellers, musicians, and a myriad of food stalls, creating a magical and unforgettable experience. The mesmerizing ambiance, combined with the exotic flavors, makes Gemma El Fna a must-visit destination. Exploring Burrow Market, visitors can experience the dynamic and colorful market life with a plethora of stalls offering traditional Malaysian dishes, fresh fruits, and seafood. The market's lively environment provides a true taste of Malaysian culture. Food markets around the world offer a unique window into local cultures, showcasing an array of exotic and unusual foods that reflect the rich culinary traditions of each region. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the vibrant night scenes of Marrakech, these markets invite you to embark on a gastronomic adventure like no other. Embrace the opportunity to explore these diverse markets and savor the unique flavors that make each one special. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tour of Exotic Bites, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Fun Fact Foodies, for more exciting food adventures.